To the worldwide coronavirus case count, where it seems we're hitting troubling new milestones almost daily. And today, there's another. Globally, cases of COVID-19 have now surpassed 20 million, doubling in the past 6 weeks alone. Over a quarter of those cases are in the United States, with more than 5 million. But other countries are rising at alarming rates. Brazil now has over 3 million cases. There are more than 2 million in India, and Russia is nearing the 1 million mark. And that country is the first to announce it has developed and approved a vaccine for COVID-19. The world scientific community is skeptical, but Russia says it will go forward with mass production within weeks. As Eric Sorensen reports, the move could represent historic scientific success for the Russians or risk millions of lives.
The symbolism is inescapable. The country that produced Sputnik, the world's first satellite in space, is calling this breakthrough Sputnik V, the Russian vaccine to defeat COVID-19 around the world.
Вакцина против новой коронавирусной инфекции.
The announcement was made by Russia's President Vladimir Putin, flanked by online medical experts. Putin vouching for its effectiveness, stating one of his 2 adult daughters was inoculated and she's fine.
Чувствует себя хорошо и титры высокие.
Russia began testing its vaccine just weeks ago. It says more than 20 countries have expressed interest in receiving more than 1 billion doses.
We'll be producing vaccine with other countries in true partnership and really making vaccine available to the world, to countries who want it, to countries who need it.
Russia has jumped ahead in the vaccine race by seemingly skipping the wide-scale phase 3 trials other countries are undertaking, and that worries medical experts.
It's disappointing. They skipped a lot of steps in terms of making sure that a vaccine's safe coming to the market.
Health experts say the long-term effects are unknown, and even a small problem with the vaccine could harm tens or hundreds of thousands of people around the world. That's why other countries are taking time to do proper trials.
It's just surprising.
Skeptical Canadian public health officials want to see the Russian data that has not yet been made public.
To actually be able to get access to the quote, the Russian data, the evidence, the scientific information, to be able to understand exactly what has happened with respect to their trials, and then to be able to draw conclusions.
Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte has already drawn conclusions.
President Putin.
He says he trusts Russia's President Putin and will be among the first to acquire vaccines for his country. Russia says it will partner to manufacture the vaccine with 5 other nations. Global distribution to start in October.
It does have a political incentive to say that you were the ones that got to the vaccine first. You were the ones that saved humanity and got society back to normal.
This fall could see the highest stakes gamble yet in the COVID-19 pandemic. Millions who will risk trying a new vaccine, and millions of others who will wait and watch. Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.